In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to find and recover deleted messages on Facebook. First thing you want to do is launch your Messenger app. First, check your archive messages since many chats are archived by mistake instead of being permanently deleted. For that, click on three bars, select the option Archive. Look for the conversation you need, and once you find it, swipe left and tap on Archive. The chat will instantly return to your Messenger box. If the message is not there, you can try the second method by downloading your Facebook message data. So close this, launch a Facebook app. Click on three bars. Now select the option Settings and Privacy. Then head over to the option Settings. Now navigate to the section Account Center. Click on the option Your Information and Permissions. Click on Export Your Information. Click on Create Export and select the option Export to Device. Click on Customize Information. Uncheck for all of these options and just select Messages and head back. Now select the date range, likewise format and the media quality. After you fill up all these, click on Start Export. Enter your Facebook password when prompted and wait while Facebook prepares the data. Once it's ready, download the zip file, extract it using your file manager, and open the messages folder to view all of your conversation. While these messages can't be stored directly back into Messenger, this method allows you to read and recover the message content. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.